Canto's Related Files feature helps you tie together multiple assets so that it's easy to jump between them. It's a great idea to use this feature for similar files like alternate angles or unique crops of the same source image, for example. With an all-new redesigned interface, it's easier than ever to use. Let's learn how. First, let's relate a few files. This feature works particularly well in Thumbnail and Masonry grid view by clicking on the icons on the corner of the thumbnail to make your selection. Then, click on the Relate Files icon here just above the grid. This creates a virtual link between the files to make it easy to jump between them. Now you'll see a new icon added to your files. Any files that are in a relationship have this icon on the thumbnail. Click on that icon to open a menu that shows all related files as an overlay. You can click on any of these files to jump to them easily, really showing you the power of related files. With the overlay open, you can also take all of the typical actions on the file. For example, hover on the left side and check several of these boxes to make multiple selections, and then you can action them accordingly. For example, if I click on download, that downloads all of the selected files on the related files menu. Use related files to keep like-kind files easy to jump between in Canto. Thanks for watching.